Good day everyone, this is Jarjar once again and welcome to my channel. Today I will be cooking a simple sweet and sour prawn dish together with stir-fried French beans. Here are the simple ingredients. As usual, let's fry the garlic first, followed by the French beans. Stir and toss the French beans for about a minute. Add some oyster sauce for taste. Meanwhile, I will be adding some water and transferring the pan to another stove to soften the French beans. On a new pan, when the oil is ready, fry the prawns. The aim is to fry till the prawns are slightly cooked and fragrant to the smell. Flip the prawns and do the same for the other side. Once the prawns are nicely cooked, dish them out for later use. Leaving the pan as it is, fry the onions. I need the onions to be very soft, so I would fry them for a couple of minutes under low fire. Add some cut chili, tomato sauce, chili sauce, and oyster sauce for taste and color. Mix the sauces well and add some water. When the sauce mix boils, add some sugar and cover the pan to continue softening the onions. Once the onions have softened, add the tomatoes. It's time to add the prawns. Ensure the prawns are well mixed with the sauce. After a minute, give the prawns a final toss and it's ready to be served. Finally, garnish it with some coriander and we are ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed my simple cooking of sweet and sour prawns and stir-fried French beans. Do like, share and subscribe and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!